I've been using extra virgin olive oil for 25 years. It works like magic. All my friends are dying and I'm still here at 90.
I've been taking olive oil for 25 years. My arthritis is gone throughout my body. I'm 68 years young and no wrinkles, very little graying, and I'm still limber. Heart has healed after 3 heart attacks. COPD is practically gone, and I feel great.
I have been having a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for 3.5 months every morning. This has helped my IBS and my joint pain so much. Everyone should take this. It is not too late to start now.
There are thousands of comments like this. Yes, these people have been using natural olive oil for years to improve their quality of life. So, have you ever wondered how this golden liquid is made, this elixir that protects our heart and vascular health, supports our kidneys, strengthens our digestive system, boosts our immunity, moisturizes our skin, and reduces the effects of aging? Come, let's watch this amazing 10-minute journey together. Growing and harvesting the olives. Everything starts in the olive groves, where rows of olive trees stretch across rolling landscapes, especially in the Mediterranean region. Olive trees are tough, resilient, and can live for centuries, producing fruit every year. However, they require a lot of patience. Olive trees only start bearing fruit after about 5 years, and the best yields come after 10 to 15 years. Farmers carefully nurture these trees, pruning them to encourage healthy growth and keeping an eye on pests and weather conditions. Olives typically ripen between September and December, depending on the variety and region. Timing is crucial. If harvested too early, the oil can be too bitter. If too late, the olives lose some of their fresh, grassy notes. Traditional methods involve hand-picking olives, which is still done today, especially for high-quality extra virgin olive oil. However, many large-scale producers use mechanical harvesters, machines that shake the trees or gently pull olives off the branches with long, vibrating fingers. Once picked, the olives must be processed quickly within 24 hours to prevent fermentation and preserve the best flavors. Cleaning and crushing. After harvesting, the olives arrive at the mill where the real transformation begins. First, they're thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, leaves, and twigs. This step is crucial because even a tiny bit of debris can impact the oil's quality. After washing, the entire olive, pit and all, is crushed into a paste. In the past, large stone mills were used for this process, with massive wheels rolling over the olives to create a thick paste. Some traditional mills still use this method today, but most modern producers use stainless steel hammer mills or disc crushers, which work faster and ensure consistency. The goal is to break down the olive cell walls, releasing the precious oil inside. The result is a smooth, thick mixture that smells intensely fresh, a sign that the olive's natural flavors are being unlocked. Malaxation. Mixing the paste. Once crushed, the olive paste undergoes a process called malaxation. This is essentially a slow mixing stage where the paste is gently stirred at a controlled temperature, usually around 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, 77 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This step allows tiny oil droplets to merge into larger ones, making extraction easier. It also enhances the flavor and aroma of the oil, which is why it's done with careful timing. If mixed too long or at too high a temperature, the oil can lose some of its delicate aromas. On the other hand, if it's not mixed enough, the yield may be lower. Extracting the oil. After malaxation, it's time to separate the oil from the paste. This is done using either a traditional pressing method or modern centrifugation. In traditional methods, the paste is spread onto circular mats, which are then stacked and pressed to squeeze out the liquid. While this technique is still used for artisanal production, most commercial producers rely on centrifuges. A centrifuge spins the paste at high speeds, using the difference in density between oil, water, and solid olive bits to separate them. The heaviest parts, like pits and skins, are thrown to the side, while the oil and water collect in the center. Then a second round of centrifugation separates the oil from the water. The result? Fresh, unfiltered olive oil, rich in polyphenols, antioxidants, and aroma compounds. At this stage, it's often a bit cloudy, which some people prefer, but most producers filter it to remove any remaining particles. Grading and bottling. Now comes the final step, grading and bottling. Olive oil is categorized into different grades based on factors like acidity level, flavor, and extraction process. The highest quality is extra virgin olive oil, which must be extracted purely by mechanical means, no chemicals, no refining, and have an acidity level below 0.8%. It's prized for its bold flavors ranging from peppery and grassy to fruity and buttery. Virgin olive oil is slightly lower in quality but still naturally extracted, while refined olive oil and pumice oil undergo chemical processing to remove impurities and improve shelf life. Once graded, the oil is either bottled immediately or stored in stainless steel tanks to protect it from light and oxygen, which can cause it to degrade. High-end producers often use dark glass bottles or tins to further preserve freshness. If you've ever wondered why some olive oils taste so much better than others, this is a big reason. Proper storage keeps those delicious flavors intact. The health benefits of olive oil. Beyond its culinary appeal, olive oil is packed with health benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. The oil also contains antioxidants such as polyphenols and vitamin E, which help combat inflammation and protect cells from damage. Studies have even linked regular olive oil consumption to a reduced risk of stroke and certain types of cancer. Extra virgin olive oil in particular has been a key part of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest diets in the world. People who follow this diet tend to have lower rates of heart disease and longer lifespans. Plus, olive oil isn't just for eating. It's been used for centuries in skincare, hair care, and even traditional medicine. Whether it's drizzled on your food or applied to your skin, olive oil continues to prove itself as one of nature's most valuable gifts. The Final Drizzle. And there you have it, the journey of olive oil from the branches of an ancient tree to your kitchen counter. It's a product of patience, craftsmanship, and science, combining age-old techniques with modern innovation. The next time you pour a little golden green oil over your meal, take a moment to appreciate the work behind it. Whether it's enhancing the flavor of your food or providing health benefits, olive oil is more than just an ingredient. It's a piece of history in every drop. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through natural health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.